chest tense, veins in my neck, close grip, dumbbells, triceps under attack, fly so wide, feel the muscle detach, tear, repair it, come back, more jack, rolls on the machine, pull steel like rage, fat get dense, turn sweat into waves, barber push-ups, plates on my frame, gravity tests me, I spit in its face.
What? Pain talk, no soft, all gas.
Heavy dumbbell curls, arms full of fire, hammer grip slam, forearms like wire, Australian pull-ups, body stay tight, inverted, rolls back, grow overnight, tricep savage, superset sick, heartbeat crack like a kick drum hit, mind stay locked, every rep legit, I don't count numbers, I count who quit.
Train hard, live heavy, what? New breed, built ready, what? Keep pushing, no Murphy, what? Change the body, move dirty, what? Let the gym see pain, respect, what? Iron talk, what? Hearing that check, what? Gym see pain, respect, what? Iron talk, what? Hearing that check, what?
Progression, obsessive, aggressive intent, add weight, plates clank, that's how I vent. Muscle soreness, but I never resent. Pain is the rant, and I'm heaven sent. Recover fast, sleep deep, eat clean. Then back in the wall where the barbell scream. I don't flex online, I just build the scene. While they talk results, I live routine.
Pull, push, grip, short, legs shook. Body hurt, still I look for the next set. Let it cook, train hard, live heavy, new three, built ready, keep pushing, no Muffy, change the body, move ready, new day, same hunger, back get thick, arms get stronger, let them see, this ain't hype, it's piss up, bleed, listen, bleed, I run my blood, pain making my blood, one of a kind.
New day, same way, different pain in my chest, but I levitate. I'm stuck in my head, but I channel the rage. Every rep is a sentence, the bar is the page. Incline bench, got my thoughts in the cage. Close grip pressure, I'm locked in the phase. Fly, stretch wide, feel fibers complain. Tear me apart, just to build me again. Rose pull truth out, my back and my spine. Inverted thoughts, but the grind realigns. I don't train for the look, I train for the war. Every scar is a lesson I learn on the floor. They don't see what it costs when I want it more. Now the pain got a voice, and it's asking for more. I feel the weight in my bones, but it's the only thing keeping me whole. If I stop, I break, so I lift and I hold. I'm still standing under all this pressure. Heavy heart, heavy hands, but I won't let go. I'm still grieving through the muscle and matter. New day, same fight, this pain made me strong. New body, new mind, this pain made me strong. Triceps, supersets, no room to rest. Heartbeat, drum line beating through my chest. Hammer curl swing like a pendulum. Mind on attack, yeah, I'm done with the minimum. Australian pull-ups, feet barely touch. Every inch I gain, yeah, I had to clutch. I don't chase respect, I let iron talk when the place scream loud. That's my final thought, they say slow down. I say not yet, muscle burn reminder. I ain't done flex, recovery fast, but the hunger stays. I wake up sore, but I love the ache. I feel the weight in my bones, but it's the only thing keeping me whole. If I stop, I fade, so I push through the load. I'm still standing under all this pressure. Broken down, built again by the weight I hold. I'm still breathing through the muscle and metal. New breed, new mind, this pain made me strong. New breed, new mind, this pain made me strong. Let it break me down. Let it shake, let it carve me out. Let it shake, pain don't scare me now. I've been here before, every time I fall. I'm still standing when the lights go empty. No applause, no crowd, just me and the bar. I'm still standing when the lights go empty. No applause, no crowd, just me and the bar. I'm still breathing even when it hurts me. New day, same war, this pain made me who I am. New day, heavyweight. I survive, so I elevate. carry down. Rolls on the bar, drag thoughts from my spine. Inverted visions, but I straighten my mind. Barbell push-ups, weight on my breath. Every second hit closer to death or death. I ain't chasing height, I'm escaping the past, where I folded under things lighter than mass. Now I load every plate with the weight that I lacked. If it hurts, that confirms I'm alive in the trap. I'm holding my breath again, trying not to bend. If I drop this weight, I drop myself with it. I'm breaking through every wall in my head. The pain I feel is the proof I'm not dead. I carry this till my arms give in. New day, same fight, I'm lifting myself again. Triceps, supersets, hard on my rib. Hammer curl swing like I'm fighting the grip. Australian pull up, singing by skin. Inverted rolls, pull the rage from within. Muscle on fire, lungs taste of rust. No shortcuts here, I suffer by trust. Recovery quick, but the hunger don't fade. I sleep with the ache, wake up still brave. They don't see war when I step in the gym. Just metal in mirrors reflecting the sin. I don't talk pain, I translate it to strength. Every failure I live now increase my legs. I'm holding my breath again, trying not to bend. If I drop this weight, I lose who I am. I'm breaking through every wall in my head.